I call this one blanket skating. In Los Angeles, we don't ever have any snow or ice, so we don't have to worry about tripping and falling on the ice. But it doesn't mean that we can't work on our reaction time and the stability through our ankles, knees, and hips. Do this at your own risk. You'll just need a blanket. And start by just skating around. You could do this with socks rather than a blanket. It's just usually at the yoga studio, we don't have socks, but we have blankets. Once you feel comfortable getting low, sliding around, perhaps you pick up the pace and you do a turn, or you run and then slide. And notice as your legs get further apart where you can work some end range of motion strength. Again, don't forget about speed. The only rule is we're not touching the ground with our hands right now. And it gets very tiring, super quick. Don't forget about the ankle business as well. We do so much external rotation in yoga that maybe you can work a little bit more into your internal rotation, walking around the room. Don't forget about going backwards. Watch for other people. And then catch your breath. Blanket ice skating.